Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Store if you are not able to download any apps on it. So it's very easy. Here's what we're going to do. We're just going to hit the Windows key and the R. Alright, and this thing should pop up. And then we're going to type this one, wsreset.exe, and we're going to hit enter. So basically what it does is that it will clear the cache of your Microsoft Store. Alright, there you go. So now it's fine. Now you should try downloading from here and to see if it is working. Now say for example it doesn't work, so we're just going to close this one and then we're going to basically go to apps. There you go, apps and features. We're going to open that one, and then from here you're just going to type store. Alright, and then you see the Microsoft Store. Let's click that one and then we're going to hit advanced options. Now we're going to scroll down and we're going to click reset. Alright, app has been resetted. Congratulations. Now try to see if it is working on your end. Now, if that still doesn't work, we're going to try another thing. If you are using a VPN, I recommend that you disable that one. Now, the next thing that we're going to do is a time. So we're going to type time and date. There you go. All right, and then what we're going to do is you're going to set the time automatically. You're also going to set the time zone automatically so that it will detect which time zone you are in. Now, the last thing that you're going to do is restart your computer. Now, after restarting your computer, you should be able to download here any application that you want for your PC. And congratulations, that's how we are going to fix Microsoft Store if you are not able to download any apps.